I welcome you all to the Bloomingdale School. We are a school which is known as a home away from home. We get little kids here in the school who just stepped out of their house and parents feel they should go to a place which is very safe and secure for them. Bolo, may I come in, ma'am? Yes, come. मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं देने के लिए. No chocolate. You want chocolate? We at BDS guarantee both the things to you. We accept the children as a small seed which is nurtured for about 3 to 4 years in the care of our facilitators who take utmost care of the minutest details in the overall growing pattern of the children. And as these children step here, parents who have their apprehensions within a couple of months are totally relaxed that their children have finally landed into safe hands. Let me take you to a small tour of my school and let's see what my teacher every year does with each child. Let's go to our first step, our stepping stone, the nursery class, and let's see what's going on there. Where we have our facilitator. Here's the seed for you. You have to nurture it for 1 year. Let's see.
Up to down.
The young seed which was planted in nursery class has been nurtured by the facilitator for 1 year and has turned out to be a beautiful sapling. And now this sapling is ready to take the next step, that is the lower kindergarten.
Now you are ready for the LKG.
Here, our facilitator will again with utmost care introduce these children to the various concepts, be it reasoning, be it writing skills, reading skills, or the number concepts. And yes, in lower KG again, the facilitator uses the practical way of teaching. And let's see how she introduces the concept of backward counting to the children.
This is 10, 9.
Children have learned the basic concepts of reading, writing and speaking in lower kindergarten, and now they enter to the final threshold of the Bloomingdale School, that is the senior kindergarten. As here, they are not only introduced to the general awareness topics, but this is the place where we have to nurture them so that they are ready to face the world outside, that is entering the formal school of teaching. Here, the teacher introduces them to subjects in a very different and practical manner, introducing each and every concept with a practicality in it. The concept of the parts of a flower are introduced by the teacher on a very practical way.
Now ready for the next class.
You can see the ripe fruits here. This is what BDS is all about. We take them as a seed, and this is how a child who's totally ripened, ready to face the challenges of the world, we are ready to hand over this child to the parent. And believe you me, at BDS, we have given them each and everything required to face the world. This child, as a ripe fruit today, is ready to go out, and if these children go to any school, not only in Lucknow, all over India, I can take it as a challenge that this child gets admission in any school he tries. That is the confidence I have on my staff and my teachers who have worked so hard for 4 years, and you can see the result for yourself. Today, as a proud principal of the school, I hand over this fully grown child, the ripe fruit, to his parent who happily receives him and is ready to take him out into the world.
बहुत कुछ सीखा है यहाँ से. जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं इतने अच्छे तरीके से कराई जाती है कि इसको काफ़ी कुछ नॉलेज हो चुका है. इसका एडमिशन हुआ है, इसको A+ आए हैं. सारी मैम इसकी काफ़ी तारीफ़ें कर रही थी वहाँ पे इसके टेस्ट के बाद कि इसने काफ़ी अच्छा किया. तो सब इस स्कूल की ही देन है.
मेरे को इतना हैप्पी फील होता है क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ देखा है कि बच्चे को बहुत अच्छे से उसको ग्रूम किया जाता है.
मैं तो जितने भी पेरेंट्स हैं और जो भी न्यू बॉर्न बेबी है या जो क्लासेस स्कूल स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हैं उनको यही कहूँगा कि जस्ट गिव ब्लूमिंगडेल्स द बेस्ट स्कूल फॉर आवर चाइल्ड। तो मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप लोग यहाँ पर आके देखें और बच्चों को आप सही जगह आप जो है भेज रहे हैं, ये मुझे विश्वास है और होना भी चाहिए आपको।
Thank you for believing in us, for having faith in us. Thank you.